Hello everyone, welcome to Secrets of Homemaking. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how I have organized my linen closet. If you like videos about homemaking, please consider subscribing to my channel. Without any further delay, let's get into today's video. In this closet, I've stored my extra medication, toiletries, towels and sheets. My goal is to achieve an organized closet which stays organized for a longer period of time. Let me give you an overview of my closet before organizing it. Now, I will brief you on how I have organized my closet. First, I have emptied the closet and started purging the items. I have trashed all the expired medications and repurposed all my old towels.
Since it is very dangerous to consume expired medication, I have spent a lot of time to go through each and every medication. I have trashed all the expired ones. I have gone through all the old towels and repurposed faded and dull looking towels.
Then I have grouped all the items in individual baskets.
I have grouped my medication into 4 categories.
Since I don't use this closet on daily basis, I use some inexpensive baskets throughout the closet. If you try to achieve more of a pleasing look, then try to use some decorative baskets. On the top and bottom shelves, I have kept occasionally used items. In this first basket, I have kept all our toiletries. Next to that, I have kept all our medication in individual bins for easy access. I am keeping all our first aid items in this bin, such as rubbing alcohol, band-aid, hydrogen peroxide, etc. Along with my kids' medication, I am storing a thermometer and a measuring cup in this bin. This basket contains all our stationery items such as pen, pencils and crayons. This shelf is in my eye level, so I have kept regularly used bath towels and hand towels in see-through baskets. I'm going to show you on how to roll your towel in 30 seconds.
Put the towel on a flat surface and fold the right hand corner into a triangle. Then fold the half into a rectangle. Flip them over and start rolling the towel. Tuck in the corner to get a nicely rolled towel.
I have folded the fitted sheet and keeping them in their matching pillowcase like a little pouch.
First, we need to fold the complete set into a rectangle. I have folded my bedspread, fitted sheet, pillowcase into a rectangle and I'm placing them inside a matching pillowcase. I've folded nicely as much as I can to make a little pouch and place the pouch inside the metal basket.
I have used the bottom shelf to store all extra sheets, curtains, and tablecloths.
I have used the floor space to store my extra comforters. I put them in a vacuum sealed bags and vacuum them to save space. Baskets is the key to organize any linen closet. Keep the occasionally used items on the top and bottom shelves. Place your frequently used linens and towels in your eye level shelf. If you have small or medium sized iron board, you can hang them on your closet door.
If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you feel this video might benefit someone, please share with them. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.